So Android P has this really cool vertical volume slider on the right center of the screen. So in this video you're gonna learn how to get this volume slider of any of your Android devices, and that's coming up. Hey, what's going on guys, this is Iperial Android, and if you want to learn some very unique Android tips and tricks, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to keep up to date with all of my new videos. So to get this vertical slider, you're gonna need this application as you can see in the screen, and this app can cost you some money, so if you wanna get the free version of it, you can click in the description down below. So that being said, let's get started. So once you go to this app, you get this type of interface here, as you can see guys. So here in the top there are two types of options. Normal, as you can see, you get normal horizontal type of volume slider here, and if you click Android P, you get vertical volume slider. As you can see, it pretty much looks like the Android P one. And if you click your volume button of your phone, as you can see, your default volume slider appears. But if you want to open this Android P volume slider, you can see the notification here. Just click one of the volume toggle. The slider will appear and you can decrease or increase it right from here. But that thing can be very annoying at times. So if you want to make it your default volume slider instead of this one, then what you need to do is simply remove the notification. You need to enable this option called replace hardware volume keys. You need to enable that, and you need to go to the accessibility and grant the permission of this app. Once you have enabled the permission, and now you click your volume button of your phone, as you can see, this Android P volume slider appears. And if you click the sound icon, this slider will go away. So that's how you get Android P volume slider on any of your Android phone. Cue of the day. How many times did I spell this word so far in this video? 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, or 10 times? Let me know in the comments section down below if you counted correctly. So there you have it guys. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share this video, and check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button in there. I will see you guys next time. Peace.